Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Chimamaka Okika and I help everyday people, especially first-time buyers, build wealth through land, one smart step at a time. Now let me ask you a very quick question. Have you or someone you know bought land and the only thing they were given is an irrevocable power of attorney? If you said yes in your mind, please don't skip this video. Today, I want to break it down using a real example because I've seen so many people get confused, misled, or even cheated on because they didn't understand the meaning of the documents they were given. So a young man reached out to me recently. He said, "Auntie, I bought land." I smiled and congratulated him. I mean, that's a big deal. Okay, but he said something that made me pause. He said, "What they gave me was an irrevocable power of attorney." Now, don't get me wrong, that document sounds powerful. Even the name feels like something very strong. But as someone who has seen land deals go wrong, I immediately asked, did they give you a deed of conveyance or a deed of assignment? Something showing that the land is now in your name. He said no, and that's where we need to talk. A power of attorney, even if it's irrevocable, is not a proof of ownership. It simply means that someone, usually the original landowner, has given another person, maybe a lawyer, an agent, or even you, the permission to act on their behalf. The power could include selling the land, managing the land, or representing them in legal matters. But here is the truth. It doesn't mean that the land now belongs to you. You can act on their behalf, but you're not the legal owner yet. On the other hand, a deed of conveyance or deed of assignment is what shows that the land was truly transferred to you. Your name is now on paper as the new owner, and that's exactly what secures you. Now, let's say you build on that land with just a power of attorney. What happens if a family member of the real owner comes and says, "This land was never sold"? Or maybe if the original owner dies and the children comes out to say, "We didn't authorize this, who are you?" With just the power of attorney, your case is weak. You may not be able to defend yourself in court because you have no proof that ownership was transferred. I mean, it's like using someone's ATM card. Yes, they gave you their PIN, but the money is not yours. Some people will say, "But I built on it and nothing happened." Okay, you were lucky, but that doesn't make it right or safe. Until you have a document that says this land has been sold and transferred to you, you are temporarily occupying it. It might not be now, might not be next year, but if a land dispute eventually comes up and your only paper is the power of attorney, you might struggle to prove that you are the owner. So if you are buying land, this is what you should do. Number one, ask for a deed of conveyance or a deed of assignment depending on what applies. Number two, make sure that it shows your name and clearly states that the seller has transferred ownership. Number three, get it signed, witnessed, and if possible, registered. Number four, keep copies of everything, both receipts, survey plan, and allocation paper. Don't assume that because they gave you a thick looking document with legal English, you are covered. Ask questions, protect yourself, because at the end of the day, buying land is not just about paying money and collecting one paper. No, it's about securing your future with the right documentation. I always say this: don't act like a landowner, become the actual owner. If someone gives you only a power of attorney, ask for the full transfer document. And if they don't give you, pause. Don't rush into problems because of pressure or fear of missing out. So I hope this video helped someone. And if you're in this situation, you've bought land but you're not sure of what you received, send me a message Let's go through it together. I mean, that's what I'm here for. Because it's not about buying land, it's about owning it the right way. And like I always say, I'm here to help you start with land and end with legacy. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who is about to buy land. Let's keep our people informed, protected, and empowered. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Bye.